Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple and responsive navbar like this one that is here. So if you can see, as you can see, that's the hamburger whereby you can click and show this mobile responsive and also desktop responsive. So let's get right into it. So yep, I have my HTML here, my style and my JavaScript. So I'm going to clear this and start from the beginning again to show you how I did it. So let me just remove this, take this off also, and also take this one off. So we are back to basic. So I just have my basic boilerplate, which is the HTML, CSS and my JavaScript. So now first thing we are going to do is to create a nav. So just say nav then click enter. Then inside the nav we are going to create a link and name it. This will be the logo. So let's say class, let's give the class of logo and write Navbar. So now the next thing we're going to do is to create the nav links. So I'm going to be really fast about this. So I'll just say url.nav links, then I'll do something like this. I see li, then times 4, then do this a tag. So when you click enter, yeah, so that's saving more time for us. So inside each li I'm going to have the home link, the about, contact, and frequently asked questions, FAQ. So we should have something like, let me refresh, we should have something like this exactly. So we have all the links available now. So now we are going to go to the style immediately. Then first things first, I'm going to create something like this and do this and say margin 0, padding also will be 0. So that's to remove the default browser settings. And also here I will say the font family should be Arial. Oh sorry, font family Arial. So that's that. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my the remaining styling for it. So I'll first start by styling the nav. Say nav, say something like background black, then I'll say display flex. So justify content, space around, and align items also center. So let's first see the result of what we have. Okay, we have this already. Okay, that's because of the justify content, space around. So yeah, so by the time we added justify content, and please note that without the display flex you can't use justify content and align item center. So before you can use that, it works, this justify content and align items works hand in hand with the display flex. So now we flexed this already. The next step is to say a minimum height, give it a minimum height of 8 vh and padding of 10 pixel, just to give it space around, because we are still going to make these links flexed, not block like this. So the next thing to do is to style the logo. So that will be really fast. So logo, then we say something like font width bold. So next step, the letter spacing, let's say 5 pixel. So yeah, we have this now, you can see that is spaced. So next step, font size, let's say 25 pixel, and text decoration none. So yeah, the line under the navbar, the logo is gone. So the next step is to add a color to it. So let's say orange red. Yep, so we have this. So we are actually styling the logo. The next step is to style the nav links, which is nav links, the class nav links, and say font display flex So display flex and color white smoke. Let's give it white smoke. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's not going to work, yeah, because it's still the nav link div. This one we are styling, we are not styling the links itself, so we are going to get to that. So white smoke, then padding, we do the padding of 10 pixel also, and font size we say 18 pixel, and that should be all for now. Okay, that should be all for now. We are still going to come back to this shop. So the next thing we're going to do, okay, I don't think we need the font size here, so let's just say color. Okay, we're giving it justify content also, space around. So yeah, there is no visible change yet. Then we're going to add a width of 20%. Yeah, you can see there is a visible change now between each of them. So the next step we're going to do is to add a list style type here, which is none, to remove those white circles. So yeah, the circles are gone. So now the next thing we're going to do is to style the links itself. So li and a, then we say text decoration none, padding 10 pixel, color, so color white smoke, and font size should be 18 pixel. So we should add this now. Yeah, exactly. So I've removed the text decoration and I've changed the color of the styling. Now the next step, we are going to add a over to this, so an over effect. So we are going to do something like dots. Let me just copy this. So I'll come down here, paste, then do something like this. Then I write the over here and say over, and say the color should be orange red. So yeah, we have this, you can see. So let me add a bit of transition to this so that it just shows smoothly. Transition color 300 milliseconds is, so we should have something like this now. Okay, let me increase to 500 milliseconds, so it's much more smooth. Yeah, exactly. So that's good. So now I think we are through with that. So the next step is the responsiveness. So as you can see, if we try to use the mobile view, okay, I have this extension here. So okay, let me just use the inspect mobile view. So we are going to have something like this. Okay, change to, so you can see it's not responsive yet. So we are going to work on that now. So to work on that, let's first off, okay, let's use something like this. So yeah, it's not responsive yet, so we are going to work on that now. So we are going to do some media query. So we are going to come like this and use art media spraying and say and max width max width 767 pixel. So just say nav and say padding should also be 10 pixel. So instead of 10 pixel, then instead of display flex, I'm going to say display block. So with that, yeah, you can see is the nav is coming down now on the mobile and a smaller screen. So that's that about the nav. Then the nav links also, the nav links, we should have something like display block also. So yeah, that's that. And margin top, let's give it a margin top of 10 pixel. 10 pixel. So yeah, we have this. So the next step is to add an hamburger to it. So we are going to create a simple hamburger. So after this, now just say dot hamburger. Then inside the hamburger we have div in it, and div we have just 3 divs. So we have this in it. So to create that will be pretty much easy. So this hamburger, we are just going to come here. So yeah, after this, now we're going to have dot hamburger display block, and I'm going to come down here, and for the divs inside the hamburger, dot hamburger div width, we'll give a width of that pixel and height of 4 pixels. So I also say imagine, okay, we should have, okay, let's give it a background of white, color of white smoke. So we should have something, but we don't have anything yet. So why don't we have anything yet? You're supposed to have something. Okay, come in. So hamburger. So we are down hamburger. So I'm making a mistake. So the mistake is that it's not inside the nav. So inside the nav here. So we should have something now. Still we don't have anything yet. Let me refresh once more. Yeah, we have something now. This small white stuff. So now continue. So we give the margin of 5 pixel. So yeah, so our hamburger is created that way. So now change this to display now, because we don't want it to be visible on the large screen. So we are going to do something like none. So we have this now, back to normal. Then yeah, we just say, then we'll call the hamburger class here. So in the hamburger class we are going to start some other things where the hamburger will be visible. So we'll say dot hamburger display block. So we have that here. So give the position of absolute, and top of 15 pixels, and the right 15 pixels, right also 15 pixel. So there you have it. So okay, right should be 45, I think. Let's see. Okay, I think it's perfect this way. Okay, I think it's perfect that way. 15 pixel top, 15 pixel right, 15 pixel. So enter. So it will look like, it will be like a clickable hamburger. So now the next step is to hide this. So we're going to say the nav link should be display none. So we'll have something like this. So now the final part, which is a toggle class that we are going to add to it. So just say dot open nav, and we'll just say display block. So we are through with the CSS. The next step is to come here to the JavaScript part and call out the hamburger class and say const dot hamburger and say equals document dot query selector, and just add hamburger. Okay, let me copy this. So you copy this and paste it here. Yeah, So that's that. And also the nav links. So const nav links is equals to documents dot query selector and dot you add nav links here. So you just copy this and paste here. So yeah, now the next step is to add an event listener. You say hamburger dot add event listener, and you do something like click. The event listener is a click event, that's on click, and you put comma and say create your arrow function, and you do something like this, and you add nav links dot class list. Then you say toggle and say the toggle class that we had in the CSS. Let's copy the class name. So it's going to toggle the class name and just paste it here. So we have this now. So let's go and check the outcome of that. And see it's clickable. So that's how to create a responsive navbar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And as you can see, it's like this here. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in case you have any further questions. Please, we got to 50 subscribers in our last videos. Please, I want you to keep subscribing so we can get to 100, then we do 200, then we do 500, then we do 1000. Please keep supporting my channel so I'll be motivated to produce more content like this. Thank you very much. Peace out.